Katie Gillette wrote an article on an online newspaper, and it was talking about the world's most and least powerful passports for 2021. This is for the first quarter, and it was talking about UAE moves up in global ranking, and also Japan retains its top spot. This is for the second quarter of 2021. Also, if you want more information, if you go to our website, www.citizenshipquickly.com, hit that top bar that says apply with us, fill out those questions, and then hit that bottom bar that says send it to us, and we'll get back with you and see what we can do to solve whatever problem you got. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the right of your screen right here, and you get new videos automatically as they come out, and also that notification bell next to that subscribe button. And I would like to hear from you. If you got a question or comment, just put it below and I'll get back with you. All right, now it talked about the UAE had moved up in one position. In January, the UAE ranked 16th as of the second quarter of 2021, which the results were released. Actually, this just came out today, and it comes in at 15th now. If you take a look through the this photo gallery, you can pull this up if you do a search on Google. But it was talking about the world's most powerful passports, and they did this strictly based on visa-free travel. I wouldn't have done it that way, but that's the way they did it. They basically did it on looking at visa-free travel alone, and that's all they looked at. I did a ranking a while back, and I looked at not only visa-free travel, but I took countries that you could live in and not have to pay any income tax, and also that allow dual citizenship. A lot of these countries on here that were ranked real high, they either were very high tax countries, or they didn't allow dual citizenship, and that's something you really need to look at when you're getting a second passport. But anyway, the world's most powerful passport in 2021 was Japan, and it retained the top spot. The UAE records its world's second highest occupancy rate in hotels for 2020. So now they're getting back on target. A lot of people were actually leaving the UAE, but now they're coming back, and the hotels are booming there now. In 2011, the UAE was ranked 65th with visa-free or visa-free on arrival score of 67. But today it comes in at 15th with a score of 174, sharing that position with Romania, which is just ahead of Bulgaria and Croatia, which have each moved up to 18th and 16th. All right, I'm going to actually go through and I'm going to give you these rankings real quick. And it's going to, it will list, I'm going to give you the highest ranked countries first, and then go through the worst ones that were ranked. All right, these were the top 20 strongest passports for the quarter two of 2021. Japan was number one with 193 countries that they could go to visa-free or visa-free on arrival to. Number two was Singapore at 192 countries that you could go to visa-free or visa-free on arrival. Number three was South Korea and Germany, tied at number three. Number four was tied with Italy, Finland, Spain, and Luxembourg were all tied at fourth place. Fifth place was Denmark and Austria. And at sixth place, all these countries were tied together: Sweden, France, Portugal, Netherlands, and Ireland. Number seven, all these countries were tied together, and they were Switzerland, the US, UK, Belgium, and New Zealand. And then you had number 8 spot was Norway, Greece, Malta, and Czech Republic were all tied at number 8. Number 9 was Canada and Australia. Number 10 was Slovakia, Lithuania, Hungary, and Poland. And then number 11 was Slovenia, Latvia, Iceland, and Estonia. Number 12 was Malaysia and Liechtenstein. Number 13 was Cyprus. Number 14 was Monaco and Chile. 15th was the UAE and Romania. 16th place was Bulgaria and Croatia. 17th was Brazil, Argentina, and Hong Kong. San Marino was number 18. At 19 was Andorra, and 20 was Brunei. All right, now the 10 weakest passports in the world. Let's start off with the 100th place was Bangladesh. You can only go to 41 visa-free or visa-free on arrival countries. They were tied with Lebanon and Sudan. 101st place was Kosovo and Libya, tied together. at only 40 visa-free and visa-free arrival countries. 102 was North Korea at only 39 countries they could go to. 103 was Nepal at 38 countries. 104 was Palestine territory at 37 countries, visa-free. 105 was Somalia at 34 countries. 106 was Yemen at 33 countries. Pakistan was ranked number 107 at only 32 countries, visa-free or visa-free on arrival. Number 108 was Syria at only 29 countries, and then 109 was Iraq at 28 countries. And the worst passport in the world was Afghanistan at only 26 visa-free and visa-free on arrival countries and territories that a person could go to on that passport. If you get a chance, go to our website, www.citizenshipquickly.com. Hit that top bar that says apply with us, fill out the questions, hit that bottom bar that says send it to us. We'll get back with you, see what we can do to solve whatever problem you got. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the right of your screen here, and you get new videos automatically as they come out. We'd like to hear from you. If you got a question or comment, just put it below. And, only apply with us if you're making at least $150,000 US dollars a year, or you've got a net worth of 1 million US, unless you've got a business you see that's really growing fast, because like I say, you're better off getting out before you got a lot of assets built up. But I've got some people that are applying with us are making incomes of $12,000 a year. Our program is really set up for high income earners or you got a high net worth. Anyway, if we can help you, just give us a call, and I'll look forward to talking to you on the next video. Take care.